Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today we will fix the issue of the iPhone 11 calling sound not working.
No sound. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Now no sound.
So let's get started. First, you need to remove the screws and take out the SIM using a SIM ejector tool. Now carefully take out the logic board from the phone. Now apply PCB separating solution around the edges and place it on the preheating station. Once it heats up a bit, the two layers will separate easily. Now use the microscope to carefully check where the problem is. Now I will apply a little paste next to the audio IC. Now I will remove it using a hot gun. Now you need to do soldering and rebelling here. Before that, you need to clean all the points thoroughly. After cleaning it properly, I will apply paste again. Then use the hot air gun again to reflow and secure the connection. Once the soldering is done, clean it with tissue, then apply paste on the side points of the logic board and do proper soldering. After completing the soldering, place the logic board and signal board back on the preheating station. Once they are properly joined, carefully lift them together. Now connect it back with the mobile. Now power on the mobile and test it. Great, the sound is working now. The problem is
Perfect.
fixed.